The sun's coming to say hello in this video. It's lighting up the whole room. Anyway, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of the video, I'm doing another Boohoo haul. I've literally just shoved all the parcels behind me. So I've got 1, 2 and 3 big parcels pouring out everywhere. As I said in my other Boohoo hauls, I am a TikTok ambassador for Boohoo, so that's why there are so many clothes, because it's stuff I get sent for the YouTube video and the TikTok combined of one. I do also have a discount code. It is chyna.xx. It is not currently working at the moment. I don't know, they stopped it for some reason, I can't remember, but it will be back up. So if you're watching this in the future, you'll be able to use it. Let's get straight onto the video, because this stuff in here, get your bank cards ready. Literally get them ready. I literally just realised I filmed that whole intro without my mic. Sounds like you are being flushed away in a toilet. Sorry about that. Let's get on to the first item I'm wearing. Here we go. If you are following me on TikTok, which you should be if you're not, go do that now. I literally have been raving about Boohoo's tracksuits for ages. I've recently posted a video about this tracksuit and a few that's in here about how good they are. If you've seen the Pangaea, don't care tracksuits, you know. If you know, you know. Literal dupes. So comfortable, so nice, flattering, everything, love them, so cheap as well. So it does come as a tracksuit set. I'll just show you. Mine, the fluffy socks. Always got some type of socks going on. Not too big, especially because I'm 5 foot. And then the hoodie. So comfortable and soft. I prefer tracksuits without drawstrings on the hoodie. I just find they fit better, they look nice. And most of their tracksuits that look like this have that. I grabbed the tracksuit, the same tracksuit in this beigey taupe colour. Literally the exact same. But if you're a neutrals lover like me, then you die for this. I love this pink. I've just got a new pink bag that literally matches. I love the colour of this, and you don't have to wear it as a set neither. You can literally, oh there we go, bye son, see you later. Wear them separately with the hoodies. It just says DSGN Studio. Elasticated waist with some drawstrings and pockets as well. I then got this pink hoodie because I'm loving pink at the moment. Amazing quality. This is part of Boohoo's premium range, which is so great. I've got a couple other bits from there and here. Obviously you'll see it on the trial clip. Me holding it up, it kind of hurts my arm. I've got a chocolate brown version of this. They have a black, but it's never in stock, and I really want the black, so I want like a really good quality black hoodie. Just says DSGN Studio again. I think that's the thing they're going for at the moment in little embroidery. It's hard to see, to be honest. I feel like this is quite a unique pink. I don't really see this pink very often. This probably has dog hair all over it because of my dog and my friend's dog, but that's fine. We love them both. I love anything cropped. Cropped is my favourite. Whenever I wear hoodies, I always tend to tuck it up my top so it's more cropped. This smells really nice. That ain't my perfume. That is my friend, 100%, and that smells amazing. Love that for me. Anyway, it's just this black zip up hoodie, and it's a cropped one as well. I like it because you can wear bralettes and just have it kind of off the shoulder, or you can wear a cute top under as well. They have this in grey, which I want to pick up, and cream. I want them to have a white one. Oversized, but it's still cropped. It's got drawstrings as well. Very basic, but I love it. Love a coat. Boohoo's coats are really good. They're really good. Okay, so this is from the petite section again. I always tend to get my coats from the petite section because things are too long for me. You'll just have to wait till the trial clip because this is not doing it. It's not cropped, but it's like midi. I don't know, it's kind of awkward. I'm obsessed with this fur. Well, obviously it's fake fur, it's not real. Like fluffy hood, and the colour, it's like a khaki. I did think it was brown. Does it say brown, or am I seeing? It says chocolate. You're khaki. The only annoying thing is, when it arrives, you have to put the hood on yourself, which is, I'm just lazy, that's the issue. It's really nice, thick padded, it's got pockets and it's a zip up. It's just really comfortable and it's really nice. I wish they had this in so many colours. I need to stop because I want everything in every colour and it's bad. I don't have the room for this. Like, I literally don't. And then I just grabbed a little black beanie. I'm loving beanies at the moment. Don't know if I suit them. I like them. No, I won't put it on. It will not go with my hair and I look so silly. I got a cream one from Boohoo before as well, and it's really nice. It's actually quite thick. It's literally like £3, which is so good for a beanie. A lot of it is like loungewear and hoodies and stuff. So if you're going to be bored by that, I'd click off if I'm honest. Boohoo man, we all know it's good. We don't need me to tell you. We already know. This is way too big for me. I'm so sad because sometimes The extra smalls on Boohoo Man are hit and miss. They can either be really small and like fit me, or like kind of oversized but still fit, or just drown me. I hate tie-dye. I used to love it, now I hate it. But this is the type of tie-dye I like. That it's kind of like bleached, if you will. And it's graffiti. Boohoo do graffiti hoodies and tracksuits, amazing. You already know this. But I really like the red with that. It looks really nice. And it's so thick. I just wish it fitted me. It's just really big. I'm really on the hunt for like new hoodies at the moment. Do I want to show this one yet? Okay, well, right. I'm just going to hold it up and then you tell me what you see from this. What are we seeing here? Because I'm seeing Essentials hoodie. I'm seeing Essentials hoodie. And the fact that it doesn't have drawstrings and it's just that thing like this makes me even happier, because I literally hate drawstrings on hoodies. They just make me cringe. I hate it. The shiny text, obviously it doesn't say Essentials on it because they would get sued, but it says that DSGN Studio. Design Studio. Why am I not just saying that? That's what it is. It says Design Studio on it with that shiny thing. It's really good quality. It's oversized. Like the hood just sits amazingly. This does actually come with leggings. It comes in a set. It doesn't come separately. With some split hem leggings, but they're way too big for me because this is in a size 8. Size 8 was the smallest. I knew the leggings weren't going to fit me. I didn't really want them, to be honest. I just wanted the hoodie. Like, if you don't want to spend however much, £250 or whatever stupid it is for a Essentials hoodie, then Boohoo literally coming through with the dupes all the time. Another Boohoo Man hoodie. I can't remember if this fits me or not. I think it might be too big. I can't quite remember. Such a sick graphic print. The stickery things are always stuck on well. They don't go all like peely and weird. Again, great quality. Boohoo Man, I just think their quality is so good. Cute hoodie. Again, with cargos and Jordans. I'm just always getting colours that will match my shoes. I mean, I don't think I have... Oh, yeah, I do. I do have a pair of shoes that I've matched that, so that's amazing. And then this one, I wasn't sure, but then I wanted it at the same time. You might look at it and think, oh, my God, but, you know. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe if his mouth was shut. I don't know. But this fits like a glove. Like, this is an extra small, and wait till you see the triangle clip. It literally fits me perfect. Literal perfect. It's weird. If you are a boy and you're watching this, I would size up a couple sizes. I love it. I love the fit of this as well. Just look on this triangle clip on how amazing it fits. It just fits unreal. Back onto these tracksuits, they do have it in orange as well. I love the orange. Orange and dark hair just is so lovely. I forgot to say, it does have the black print here as well. I really want you guys to get these and feel them. Like, they're so soft. They're fleece lined, really good quality, stretchy, so good. They also have a lime green colour, and I'm like, would lime green suit me? Should I just get it? Like, why not? And then, of course, the hoodie. I'm pretty sure during the summer they had these sets going like crazy with the shorts. I remember I got one, but they were just way too big. But the tracksuits fit lovely. This orange is just great. I'm so glad I got my hands on this because they're now so out of stock. And then they actually had it in red. It's not the hoodie version. I wish they had this in the hoodie version, but it's a sweatshirt nevertheless. I don't mind a sweatshirt, just not as good as a hoodie. This red is really nice. Everyone said that red suits me. I don't think it does. Good fit again. I can't remember if this one was a bit oversized with obviously the sweatshirt. You'll of course see. And then it comes with the bottoms. I feel like the bottoms are a bit bigger in this. I'm not sure. I got the smaller size in these tracksuits, by the way. I get the smaller size in literally all my clothes. I'll show these together. I didn't buy them together, but I'll show you them. I love a little like boy short. These are really nice because they obviously cover the bum. These are really thick as well. They're not too big on the waist either, which I thought they were going to be, but it does have drawstrings and they are real. Pockets. This is really good for summer. I'll show you it with the outfit I had imagined. I just grabbed this top that is disgustingly creased because I'm not prepared for absolutely anything. Just a blue washed t-shirt in a size small. It is very oversized. And then I grabbed the jacket. Is this a premium one? No, it's recycled again. It feels such good quality. Like, look how heavy it looks. Got that Design Studio embroidered on the here. What is that? Chest? Boob? I don't know. Typical grey Zip Up hoodie. I'm very funny about my grey. This is the grey I like. That really ashy type grey. I wanted to wear these together because I thought maybe in the summer that would look good. And with like a blue pair of shoes and a blue bag, going proper blue with some Nike socks would look really cute. Actually, in fact, grabbed the Zip Up hoodie in black as well. Not the shorts because I wasn't sure if I was going to like the shorts, so I just grabbed the hoodie because I just knew. What size is this? Extra small. Extra small and it's still oversized, so I wouldn't size up or anything. But this feels like heavy thick. like heavy thick that's going to keep you warm. And then I got this hoodie. I love this hoodie. I wore this out the other day in the cold when I knew it was going to be cold, and it kept me so warm. Again with that design studio print, but it's in that like graffiti gothic writing. I really like that. So maybe I'm gonna have to get a purple pair of shoes just for this hoodie. And then it's got this down the arm. Doesn't have the drawstrings in the hoodie, which makes me so happy. Really nice, oversized, fits like a glove. Love her. Got another tracksuit, again another orange one. Be honest, not a fan on this, just too oversized for me. Pretty sure this is in the petite section, but it was just too oversized. I liked the contrast of the blue and the orange. I felt like that looked really nice, and it's kind of like a washed acid worn, I was about to say blue, no it's not, orange. It's got a thick waistband. This is in a size small, but they're just quite big and oversized. You'll see on the try on clip how big they are, but they are comfortable and thick. Boohoo don't mess about with tracksuits, they're always thick. People that try to tell me different, I don't want to hear it because they are so good. And then again with the hoodie, I don't know, I can't remember if the hoodie fitted me great or not. One of them was too big, but I'll keep one of them. Either way, I'll get rid of the other. Literally the same with the blues. So you could wear blue trainers and a blue bag and that would look good together. Got the drawstring, but I don't mind this because it doesn't have that metal. When it has that circle metal bit, that is so ugly. I literally hate that so much. So guys, that is the end of my Boohoo haul. I got through that so quick as always because we like to be snappy over here. We don't mess about. I'm super happy with this haul. If you're going to get anything from this haul, these tracksuits are just a need. Don't forget to use my discount code when it is up and running. I will put it in the comment section once it is up and running. It literally just stopped, I think, for what's that thing? What's that sale? Black Friday, that's the one. It stopped for Black Friday and then they just haven't turned it on since, but they said they're going to turn it back on, so let's pray they're going to. Camera died as I was doing the outro. It's trying to tell me to be quiet and no one cares. So if you want more Boohoo hauls, comment down below. Who doesn't love a Boohoo haul? Because I know I do. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.